it is quite obvious that men would be better off without pornography, but should men also quit masturbation?
That's a loaded question, but if you have been watching pornography, yes. The
Okay.
answer is a yes with an exclamation point, a resounding yes. And this is the reason why, but it's tricky. And I'll give you a caveat to that. If you've never watched porn, you might be able to establish a quote unquote healthy masturbation habit, one where you don't go to fantasy, you're not recalling porn scenes, you're not thinking about things you wish were done to you. You're staying with the sensations in your body, which like 0.0001% of the male population can actually do. So when I tell people to do that, they're like, what's the fun in that? I'm like, I know, exactly. So like, if you take all of that hypersexuality out of masturbation, there is no point for most people. They can't pull it off because it includes all the other stuff. So like, if you've been in that culture of porn and sexual media, you likely won't be able to establish a healthy masturbation habit. But here's the tricky part. I work with a lot of people who are having challenges in their relationship because they have watched porn for so long. So they might not be in a place yet where they've repaired their sexual relationship with their partner. Or I also work with a lot of people who don't have partners. And we know from the science too, more young men are choosing to watch porn than to try to get girlfriends. And then they do have erectile dysfunction. So even when they try to get a girlfriend, they can't perform and it sends them back to porn. It's a vicious cycle for young men. So if you don't have a partner and you're really trying to quit porn, you have to leave masturbation behind for at least a while to let all that hypersexuality unravel. But if too much time passes, I do think some people, but you have to feel it out. If you can stay with the sensations in your body and schedule it, this part you'll love too. You don't use it when you feel stressed out because then you're using it as that mood regulation tool. It has to be scheduled so that you're trying to develop like healthy sexuality by yourself, which is obviously an oxymoron. So, it's a tricky thing to do, but the answer would be if you're watching porn and you have not given it up yet and you're trying, the answer is no, you can't masturbate. It's got to unravel in your brain and your mind.